Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will give you the overview of the Dabble app. So let's get started. So here, let's open the Dabble app. So basically, this app is for programming. Okay, so you can just connect your Dabble with your Bluetooth in your phone. Then you can just upload the code from here to your board. Okay, so it's very easy. You can click on Ready, Steady, Dabble. So from here you can do it like the things like your controlling a phone and other things. You can do phone sensor and you can do many things from here as well. You can see gyro, your magnetometer and many other things from here. So if you have any question related to this app, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.